Alright, is the elevator. What floor?
3. That goes to 3. A guy will be there to grab it.
Okay. This is the hours of the under renovation Hampton Inn in Springfield, Ohio. Anyway, the other elevator is not working, so we're just gonna go back down really quickly. This is a pretty standard series 1. Oh, solar's going up. Solar's going up.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay. The computer is not flashing. Well, it's gonna go down anyway. This hotel is in the process of getting renovated. I can't tell if that's probably due to the deal. This hotel, which is in the process. Huh. It's hard to tell what's the old stuff and what's the new stuff. Well, look at somebody else's video. There don't seem to be any rooms being used. Like, can't tell which rooms are old, which rooms are new. Those would probably be toilets, maybe. Yeah. Feels like you can get rid of. I can't even tell this account's actually even open. I mean. Okay, the vending machine is in use. Okay, it's going up, that's good. They don't seem to be working. I wanted to this floor. I can't tell if it's the new floor or the old floor. And I can tell what's the old carpet and new carpet. It's nudging, so that means it's coming. So, renovation progress might be absolute. What's this supposed to be? Oh, elevator's here. And this was left in here. Okay, one's pressed already. Will we? Interesting. Yeah, I tried to take some pictures. Hey, we're not stopping. This hotel is in the process of getting renovated. It's hard to tell what's open and what isn't. It doesn't know. So, here's a better watch. Oh, I got a towel up in the window. Yeah, that's it.